Hey guys, welcome back to our episode of Cooolanto, and today is the 4th of July, and I'm with this kiddo right here. Say hi. Ankle broke! But right now we are at a party, and Dylan's almost stepped on dog food, and this car is about to run us over, which is pretty scary. But yeah, Dylan, that's the neighbor's house. Goodbye, Felicia. God. Dylan, what are you trying to accomplish? All right. Oh, stop calling them. Inside.
Ready? Hey guys, 2017.
I like the blue ball better. Hello, my dude.
Oh, I'll get the blue ball.
That made right?
I found the volleyball.
Oh, and the blue ball. It's by the thingy. Get that out. Here. Get that out of here. Oh, shout.
You guys. Wait.
Oh, come on. Okay, I gotta do that again.
YouTube, Anthony. Hi guys.
Wow.
Follow me on Instagram and all my social media platforms.
At Claire Williams.
At Claire.
I ate it, look.
Yeah, follow me. I expect Anthony to put this on his YouTube, so
God dang.
You lost.
I expect to see that.
Hey, guess what?
Okay, don't hurt yourself. Oh, I got you. Attack! Attack! Get him! Everybody get him! Oh! Get Dylan! Everybody get Dylan!
Not me.
Oh shoot! Don't throw it at me! Don't throw it at me! Oh, don't pick it up!
I got a big
Stop. Oh. I'm putting that in. Dylan, stop. Blur. It's censored. I censored it.
My goo is over here.
God. Whoa. I think because he was thinking about me all the time. You've been thinking about me, haven't you?
Ow! Stop! Ah!
That's the sound of friendship. That's the sound of friendship, guys.
Ow! Stop! Ah!
That's Vietnamese for you guys. Aaron, what are you trying to accomplish?
Wait.
Oh.
Hey, let's watch it.
You want to throw it? Oh. 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 Hey Dylan, try hitting the camera. Oh, you failed. One more try. Ah. Ow.
I can leave it.
Bro, I'm done.
Dylan, you have to hit the camera once. You have to hit it.
Watch Anthony. Watch it.
I can't. Because I'm not a guy. Hey guys, we are currently inside of this bouncy house.
Here, not here.
Oh no!
Aaron, how you doing over there? Good. Oh no!
Kids here. You like your ball?
Balls? No! There he goes! Thanks, Glenn. We're just gonna chill in here until the fireworks. Or we're gonna do something else because, yeah, you know.
We're going to the fireworks.
Yeah, we're going to fireworks. Let's go. Yo, it's actually not even that hard. You just have to keep.
Bro, it's so hard.
That's what she said.
Keep calm. And if you eat it, it's gonna be good for the vlog. Yeah! Yeah! Alright guys, so I am back home now. Well, actually at my I'm actually at my friend's house right now, and we're actually gonna sleep over. And by the time that you're watching this, it's gonna be probably July 6th. We are apparently gonna be hanging out here tomorrow, so double upload today while you're watching this. So yeah. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and do not forget to subscribe. I'm on road to 150 subscribers. We only need 3 more subscribers, guys. I think we can do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to stay cool.